What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a web page as a PDF document from Google Chrome. So open up Google Chrome, find that amazing web page that you want to save as a PDF document, and click Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. This is going to pop up the print window here. And so from here, you will see the option on the right. Maybe it will have your printer selected under the destination, or you will see it says Microsoft Print to PDF. Now you can choose which of the two you want. You have two options here to actually save as PDF document, Microsoft Print to PDF or just a save as PDF. And so once you choose any one of the two, you will be able to save your document as a PDF document. And you just need to click and save and just basically, save it or rename it, and it's going to save as a PDF document. As you can see right here, has a save type as PDF, and I'm going to show you if I choose that option as well, Microsoft Print to PDF, click on print, it's going to do basically the same. The only difference is that with this option, you have to give your document a name because it will give you a name. So you'll have to just give it a name, and yeah, let's do it like that. Click save, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can easily go ahead and save a web page as a PDF document from Google Chrome. Very easy and very simple.